Galaxy Flip 5. The Galaxy Flip 5 continues the trend of foldable devices, featuring a unique clamshell design that sets it apart from traditional smartphones. With a slim and compact form factor, this device fits easily into pockets, making it a convenient choice for those on the go. Samsung has further refined the hinge mechanism, ensuring smooth and sturdy folding motions. The durability of the hinge is significantly improved, reducing the chance of dust or debris entering the device. The Galaxy Flip 5 boasts a stunning 6.7-inch dynamic OLED foldable display when fully opened, providing an immersive visual experience. The Infinity Flex display technology delivers vibrant colors, deep contrasts, and impressive brightness levels, ensuring that users enjoy every bit of content they consume. Moreover, when the device is folded, the cover display comes into play. It is a 3.4-inch OLED screen, ideal for quickly checking notifications, managing tasks, or even capturing selfies without the need to unfold the phone. Under the hood, the Galaxy Flip 5 packs a punch with its cutting-edge hardware. Powered by the latest Qualcomm processor Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, it offers seamless multitasking and smooth performance, even with intensive applications and games. Accompanied by up to 8 GB of RAM and ample internal storage, users can store all their files, media, and apps without any worries. Samsung has equipped the Galaxy Flip 5 with a versatile camera system that adapts to different shooting scenarios. On the rear, there's a dual-lens setup with a 12-megapixels wide-angle lens and a 12-megapixels ultra-wide lens. For selfies, the cover display houses a single 10-megapixels front-facing camera. The Flip 5 has a slightly larger 3,700 mAh battery. With a sizable battery capacity, the Galaxy Flip 5 boasts impressive endurance, ensuring users can stay connected and productive throughout the day. The device supports fast charging and wireless charging, enabling users to replenish their battery quickly and conveniently. To sum up, reasons to buy: larger flex window, camera performance, no gap design, more storage in the base model. Reasons to skip: average battery life, cover display software. RAZR 40 Ultra. The RAZR 40 Ultra showcases Motorola's expertise in foldable design, offering a unique blend of classic and contemporary aesthetics. When folded, the device exudes elegance and sophistication, reminiscent of the classic RAZR's clamshell design. The exterior features a sleek, premium finish, while the tactile hinge mechanism ensures smooth and effortless folding. Unfolded, the RAZR 40 Ultra reveals a stunning 6.9-inch OLED display, delivering an immersive experience for gaming, content consumption, and productivity. The foldable design not only enhances portability, but also protects the screen from potential scratches and damage when in the folded position. When the phone is folded, the outer screen is a 3.6-inch OLED display. The RAZR 40 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, flagship chip which is launched in 2022. The phone also has up to 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage. This ensures smooth performance and efficient multitasking capabilities, enabling users to run multiple applications simultaneously without compromising speed and responsiveness. One of the highlights of the RAZR 40 Ultra is its innovative hinge technology. Motorola has perfected the hinge design, ensuring a seamless folding and unfolding experience. The hinge is engineered to be durable and robust, guaranteeing that users can enjoy the foldable experience for years to come. The RAZR 40 Ultra has a dual camera system on the back, with a 12-megapixel main sensor and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. The front-facing camera is 32 megapixels. Motorola has equipped the device with advanced image processing algorithms, AI-enhanced features, and multiple lenses, enabling users to capture stunning images in various lighting conditions. Considering the demands of modern users, the RAZR 40 Ultra is equipped with a robust battery that provides all-day power. Motorola's energy optimization algorithms and AI-driven battery management contribute to longer battery life, striking an ideal balance between performance and efficiency. So, let's recap. Reasons to buy: excellent outer display, dust and water resistant, good battery life. Reasons to skip: old chipset, cameras are good but not great. Outer screen software needs some fine-tuning. Galaxy Fold 5. Fold 5 is a refinement of the Galaxy Z Fold 4, offering a few key improvements without reinventing the wheel. The most notable change is the new hinge. which is now made of a stronger material that is less likely to bend or break. The centerpiece of the Galaxy Fold 5 is its expansive foldable display. Utilizing Samsung's proprietary ultra-thin glass (UTG) technology, the 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED foldable screen delivers stunning visuals with vibrant colors and deep contrasts. Under the hood, the Samsung Galaxy Fold 5 is a true powerhouse, equipped with the latest cutting-edge hardware. The device comes with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 series processor, providing unparalleled speed and performance. Coupled with 12 GB of RAM, the Galaxy Fold 5 can handle multiple tasks and applications with ease, delivering a lag-free experience even during heavy usage. In terms of cameras, the Fold 5 has the same triple-lens rear camera system as the Fold 4. This system consists of a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 10-megapixel telephoto sensor. This combination ensures exceptional image quality across various shooting conditions and allows users to explore their creativity with pro-grade photography features. To support its powerful performance, the Galaxy Fold 5 features a substantial battery that ensures all-day usage. The device comes with both wired fast charging and wireless charging capabilities, along with reverse wireless charging to power up other compatible devices like earbuds or smartwatches. The Fold 5 has a slightly larger 4,400 mAh battery than the Fold 4, which should translate to a few extra hours of use. This is especially welcome, as the Fold 4 had somewhat mediocre battery life. A notable addition to the Galaxy Fold 5 is the enhanced S Pen support, making it the first foldable Samsung device compatible with the beloved stylus. In a nutshell, reasons to buy: stronger hinge, longer battery life, faster processor, same great cameras as the Fold 4. Reasons to skip: no S Pen slot, no major design changes, still relatively expensive. Google Pixel Fold. After years of anticipation, Google finally released its first foldable phone in 2023. The Pixel Fold is a high-end device that combines the best of both worlds: the portability of a smartphone and the productivity of a tablet. The Google Pixel Fold boasts a high-quality OLED display with a smooth and seamless foldable mechanism. Google has invested considerable effort into ensuring the display is durable and reliable, addressing the concerns that plagued early foldable devices. With its superior build quality, users can be confident in the device's longevity and performance. The Pixel Fold has a 7.6-inch OLED display when unfolded. The display is also very sharp and bright. When the phone is folded, the outer screen is a 5.8-inch OLED display. The Pixel Fold is powered by Google's latest Tensor chip, which is also found in the Pixel 7 Pro. The phone has 12 GB of RAM and 256 or 512 GB of storage. The Pixel Fold's foldable design and multitasking capabilities offer exciting new possibilities for productivity enthusiasts. Users can easily run multiple applications side by side, boosting efficiency and workflow. Whether it's editing documents while conducting video conferences or comparing information from different sources, the Pixel Fold's split-screen functionality enables users to stay productive and connected. Google has long been acclaimed for its exceptional camera capabilities, and the Pixel Fold is no exception. The device features a versatile camera system that adapts to various shooting scenarios, delivering stunning results. Whether capturing high-resolution landscapes, low-light portraits, or action-packed videos, the Pixel Fold ensures users can immortalize their most cherished moments in unparalleled detail and clarity. The camera system includes a 48-megapixel main sensor, a 10.8-megapixel telephoto, and 10.8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. The front-facing camera is 9.5 megapixels. The Google Pixel Fold has a 4,821 mAh battery, which is on the larger side for a smartphone. In Google's own tests, the Pixel Fold lasted for an average of 33 hours on a single charge. This includes a mix of activities such as browsing the web, watching videos, and taking photos. In a nutshell, reasons to buy: large and sharp display, powerful performance, long battery life, excellent camera. Reasons to skip: expensive, thick and heavy when folded, limited app support. And that wraps up our review of the best foldable phones in 2023. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in your search for the perfect foldable phone. That's it for this review. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more valuable content in the future. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer them. See you in the next one.